everyone, I'm here with my partner. Today we'll have a quick tutorial about amortization and sinking fund. Ato ni himuon simple para sa pagdala.
So, amortization is paying a loan little by little with regular payment. Sinking fund naman is saving money over time from future expense. So, ang usa kay bayad, ang usa kay tigo.
For today, our objectives are simple. First, understand the full concept. Second, learn basic computation. And third, apply them in simple examples.
So, by the end of this session, no, we hope mas confident po gamiton ang amortization of sinking fund.
Good day everyone. Today we'll talk about sinking fund and how to work with it in Excel. So now, a sinking fund is a savings plan where you regularly deposit money to reach a future amount. Its purpose is to help you prepare for a big payment in the future, like buying equipment or paying a loan. So there are 5 important ideas. Contribution, this is the money you put in regularly. And then the interest is the money added by the bank or investment over time. Future value, the total amount you will have in future after all deposits and interest. Compounding period, this refers to how often interest is calculated and added to the fund monthly. Number of periods, this is the total count of deposit intervals. So now, let's proceed to Excel to compute the future value and make a sinking fund schedule. So I am here now using Microsoft Excel to present on how to compute the future value and make a sinking fund schedule of ordinary simple annuity using Microsoft Excel. So in our problems, a business store makes deposit of 17,550 at the end of each 6 months for 4 years and 6 months. Find the amount of annuity assuming 7.9% interest compounded semi-annually and construct an sinking fund schedule. So, nanatay given diri, muna siya nga tuang given. So, let's compute the future value. This PV stands for present value. And since in our problem, wala man tayo present value, so nga itong input kay 0 lang. Enter, and then the FB is mo siya nga itong paytaon, skip sa lang na ito na. And then the rate is mo siya ang atong I sa problem, which is ang atong I is kaning 0.0385. Input na to 0.0385, enter. And then the input is mo siya ang atong N sa problem, which is kaning 9. Input na to 9. Enter, the PMT is mo siya ang R sa problem, which is the 17,550. And then enter. So now let's compute our future value. So the formula for future value is always yung kamabutag of equals, and then nakapil na to ang FB, and then quantity, and then as you see here, this is a sequence of kung saan itong input sa dire. So ang nag-una di ba rate? So rate, and then comma, and then the infer, and then comma, and then the PMT. Note that payment is entered as negative because it represents money being deposited out of the business. So mag-input taog negative, and then PMT, and then comma, and then the present value, comma code, and then code na ka-indicate diri kung saan atong gamiton. Since atong problem is ordinary simple annuity, so at the end atong gamiton is 0. Then quantity close, enter. So nanatay future value, the 184,590.61. Now let's make an sinking fund schedule. So 1, 2, para mas madali siya, let's highlights, then click this, and then drag pababa up unto sa tuang N, which is the 9. So beginning amount is the present value, which is 0. 0, input na tag 0. And then the PMT is the payment. So equals, always ka magput equals, and then equals the first mo ang sales sa payment. Enter, and then the interest is the beginning amount equals beginning amount which I know. Dire na siya. The interest equals beginning amount multiplied by the rate, and then enter. And then the increase in fund is equals PMT plus interest, and then the outstanding amount is the 0, then there's the beginning amount 0, and then the outstanding amount is equals to the sum of the beginning amount and the increase in fund, and then enter. And then this outstanding amount is mo na siya nga to ang new nga beginning amount. So then outstanding amount enter, and then the PMT is always good siya na kaning payment. So equals payment. So diri is mag before and after sa letter. Kay para ang Excel na dili siya mag-change sa cell reference when copying the formulas. It keeps one values fixed while allowing others to update. And so dollar sign before and after sa letter, enter, and then the interest is same as ganina. Interest is the equals the beginning amount multiplied by the rate. The rate is magbutang na butang dollar sign before and after sa letter. Enter, and then the increase in fund equals the sum of the PMT and the interest. And the interest, enter, and then the outstanding amount is the sum of the beginning amount and the increase in fund. So pag maano na to sa ikaduha nga cell, pwede na to na siya nga i-drag, i-highlights na lang, i-highlights, and then i-drag pababa para mas madali, and then mo come up na siya sa ano na tayo mo na siya nga to ang schedule. As you see, ang our future value is the 184,590.61. So same siya sa diri sa kaning last nga outstanding amount sa pingana, which is tama to pag-compute sa future value and the paghimo sa sinking fund schedule. And that's all. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Today I will give a short introduction about amortization. Amortization means paying a loan little by little over a fixed period of time. Every month we pay a fixed amount, and this payment has two parts, the interest and the principal. The interest is the charge for borrowing the money, while the principal is the actual amount nga imong gi-loan. In the first month, mas dako pakasagaran ang interest part, but as time goes on, mas dako na ang portion nga moadto sa principal. Amortization is important because it helps people know how long it will take to finish paying a loan and how much they need to prepare each month. This system is commonly used in house loans, car loans, and personal loans. Now let's take a look at the problem. Suppose an individual takes out a housing loan of 800,000 pesos in the Philippines with an annual interest rate of 3% compounded monthly. The loan is to be repaid over 10 years. What is the required monthly payment? So ang gipangita diri kay ang monthly payment daw. So mag-compute ta diri gamit ang Excel diri So equals PMT, which is ang periodic payment. Then first is rate, then comma in per period, comma, then principal. Remind you that principal need to be minus para dili siya mahimong negative. Then FV, which is future value, then minus comma ending period, which is 0. Then mao ni ang atong monthly payment. Now let's proceed to amortization schedule. So first step nato kay magkuan ta unsa kutog nga months magbayad. So sequence niya ang period nato, which is 120, input ng 120, then enter. Then atong beginning balance, which is ang atong 800,000 pesos. So input na nato equals, click na nato ang PV diri then enter. Then ang atong PMT, which is equals to payment. So mao ni atong payment sa PMT. Then ang atong interest, which is times na to ang principal, ang beginning balance o ang interest rate. So equals beginning balance beginning balance minus times interest rate. Then mao ni ning kuan. Then atong principal is ang PMT i-minus nato sa interest. PMT minus interest. Then atong ending balance, which is ang atong beginning balance i-minus nato sa principal. Balance principal. Then same process, ang atong ending balance kay i-input nato sa balance sa second month. Then ang atong PMT, same as always, equals na to PMT. But guys, remind you that must put $sign first before and after sa letter para ma-shortcut na to unya. Then there is interest rate, which is the beginning balance and balance sa second month. I-times na to sa interest rate. Nya remind you guys na multiplier putngan po nato og $sign before and after sa letter. Then so atong principal, which is ang PMT minus interest. Then ang atong ending balance, which is ang balance sa second month minus sa principal sa second month po. Okay. Then try na to og drag. So mauna ni siya, daghang salamat.
To summarize, we learned that amortization helps you to pay a loan gradually, while a sinking fund helps you save for a future expense. Both are useful tools in managing money.
We encourage you to practice the examples and try scoring more features on your own. Mas maayo yun kung ako mismo mag-testing para mas makuha ninyo ang concept.
Thank you for joining our session, and we hope katabang ito inyong understanding.